So with pine resin salve, you do need to sacrifice a jar, which is why I like to repurpose one. So I did sanitize it, and we've got all the debris in there kind of clumping up down there at the bottom. But as it comes out of that jar, and we strain it through a coffee filter into this nice clean beaker, you can see just the difference in the coloration of the oil as it strains through this coffee filter. We've got a beautiful golden, I wish you could see it in real life because it's really more orangey gold, but the way the light is here, it looks only kind of yellow, but it's still very gorgeous and smells good.